All right, just a quick little refresher about how to do these problems. So you're going to use your slope formula. Okay, so I'm going to do number 1 and number 2 with you. Okay, so I'm going to start with negative 4 over 7 equals y minus y. So that will be y and 5. And then x minus x will be 4 minus 11. Okay, 4 minus 11 is going to give me negative 7. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. And then I'm just going to cross multiply. So 7 times y minus 5 equals to negative 4 times negative 7. And we're going to distribute. And then you're going to rearrange. Okay, so 7y is going to equal 28 plus 35. That's going to be 63. And when we divide by 7, y should equal 9. So that's all you're doing on these is your slope formula, okay? So same thing over here. You'd start with your slope, 1 over 10, 9 minus y, and 9 minus negative 11. Okay? And 9 minus negative 11, or 9 plus 11, that's going to change to 20. And we're going to cross multiply. 10 times 9 minus y, and 1 times 20. And then you're going to solve from there. And y should equal 7. Okay, so that's the same way you're going to do number 3 and number 4. Then 5 through 10, okay, these are all perfect squares. You do have your perfect squares quizzes for the next 3 days. So you need to make sure that you've studied them. You need to know the square root of them, and then you need to know them squared. So in other words, you need to know that the square root of 400 is 20, but you also need to know that 20 squared is 400. Okay, so you're going to start, square root of 49 is 7, and we divide our exponents by 2. Square root of 36 is 6. Divide your exponents by 2, but on this one you also have to multiply by that outside number, so it should have been 30x to the 18th. Okay, so you'll do the same thing for 7 and 8. And then 9 is a calculator problem. So you may not, you at least need to have the information written down if you don't have the values for the slope, but you could do this without the calculator. You know that it says years since 2005. So from 2005 to 2010, you're just going to subtract there, and that's going to give you 5 and 8. And then these are your x's. And then to get your y's, you just plug that in. Okay, and you can type that in on any calculator. So this one gives me 398 point, we'll say 74. And this one's going to give me 262.57. So then you can still do the slope. It will be a decimal, okay? It's going to be y minus y over x minus x and that's going to give you negative 45.39. And if you had a graphing calculator at home, if you had a TI-84 or whatnot, it's going to give you a little bit different of an answer, but it should be very, 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 very close because it's not as rounded as I rounded. Okay, so literally you have 4 problems of your own to do on tonight's homework. Don't forget to study for your perfect squares quiz tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow.